Hey everybody, it's the Whiskle Wheeler YouTube channel. Today, I'll show you how to make my version of a favorite summertime drink, the Cherry Margarita. It's similar to Fred and Fuzzy's in Door County at Sister Bay, Wisconsin. I won't be looking over Lake Michigan today, but can make my version of the Cherry Margarita to enjoy at home. You'll need margarita mix, cherry juice, sour soda, and of course, some tequila. Fill a tall glass with ice and add your shot of tequila, or two. That should end up filling the glass about a quarter of the way. Then fill the remainder of the glass with equal parts of margarita mix, cherry juice, and your sour soda. I think this is fairly close copy of the ones that I've had in Wisconsin's cherry orchard farming area of Door County. Now, if I could only recreate the summer sunshine and be overlooking Lake Michigan. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on our next adventure. If you have another version for the Cherry Margarita, let us know in the comments below.